In 1913, 23% of the total world population was ruled by Britishers, covering 25% area of the whole world. And today, while Britain's own economy is in pieces, but it still dominates the offshore tax system and the financial world of parking wealth and moving money from one place to another. Why? Because of 14 small dependent and unincorporated scattered islands across the globe. Each island has its own cultural heritage, with only 250 people living in Tristan da Cunha to 60,000 people living in the Cayman Islands. Let's see how independent are they. They have their own internal elected government, they have their own administration, they have their own economy and financial system, they have their own tax system, they have their own company regulations. Basically, on papers, everything is their own. But in truth, these islands are pure tax havens used for offshore structuring, whitewashing money, and moving funds from one place to another without anyone knowing, with their headquarters in the city of London. And almost every law is guided by United Kingdom. UK provides financial aid for development of infrastructure, and UK negotiates trade agreements on behalf of these islands with other countries, influencing the international market and economic opportunities. And UK retains the ultimate power of security and defense in these islands, even providing military support. Let's study each island in detail.